The parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4by intersect orthogonally at a point px1 comma y1. So this is a parabola y square is equal to 4x and another parabola, let's say x square is equal to 4by. They are intersecting at 2 points like 0 comma 0 1 point and another point say p x1 comma y1, which is not equal to 0, so we can consider this point. And they are intersecting orthogonally, means the tangents are perpendicular. So let's find first the slope of tangent. Say this is parabola p1 and this is p2 for parabola p1. So we had 2y divided by dx is equal to 4a, or we can write dy by dx is equal to 2a upon y at point px1 comma y1. Dy by dx at point p is equal to 2a upon y1. Say this is 1. And slope of tangent for p2 for second parabola. So we had 2x is equal to 4b dy by dx, which is equal to dy by dx is equal to 2x upon 4b, that is x upon 2b, and at a point p we can write x1 upon 2b. So let's consider this is the second one. To find the point of intersection, and also since it is given that the slopes are perpendicular, the tangents are perpendicular, since orthogonally they are intersecting, so we can write 2a upon y1 into x1 upon 2b is equal to -1, since orthogonal. Two curves are orthogonal, so that we can write ax1 is equal to minus bx1 by1. Or x1 is equal to minus by1 upon a, which implies here x1 is equal to minus b by a into y1. So y1 from the second parabola we can write x1 square upon 4b. So here b and b get cancelled, so x1 is equal to minus x1 square upon 4a, or x1 we can cancel one time, so 4a is equal to minus x1, or x1 is equal to minus 4 times a, and substitute this x1 is equal to minus 4 times a, so you will be getting y is equal to, so we'll be getting y1 is equal to 4a square upon b. And now substituting these two values in the equation, y1 square y square is equal to, or y1 square is equal to 4a, or equation y1 square is equal to 4a x1. So let us substitute these two values here. You will get 4a square by b whole square is equal to 4a into minus 4a, so which implies 16a to the power of 4 divided by b square is equal to minus 16a square. So we can cancel 16 and a square 2 times, so a square is equal to minus b square, or a square plus b square is equal to 0. So this must be the relation between the two values a and b. So here b is equal to a square, b is equal to a cube is equal to b cube. So we can say none of this. We can go with an option D, none of this.